Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll talk about the hardware acceleration and the smart queues on Ubiquiti UCG Ultra. So we'll see what this feature is used for
and we'll talk more about it. Let's get started. What is hardware acceleration? Hardware acceleration means the router uses dedicated chip to process the packet instead of the main CPU. So why this matter? With the help of hardware acceleration, the CPU won't get overload all the traffic route through a dedicated hardware engine. Your speed won't get capped. So in case of UCG Ultra, the WAN speed is 2.5 Gbps, so you will get up to speed. Without hardware acceleration, the traffic routes through CPU and the CPU gets overloaded. So the speed caps will be there as soon as the CPU get overloaded. So you will see the drop down in the speed. So with the help of hardware acceleration, you will get a much faster speed. What are smart queues? Smart queues are the quality of service that controls how bandwidth are shared between the devices. Smart queues solves common problems like a lag in online gaming when someone is downloading and buffering when uploading a video, Zoom call, lag, drop when someone is streaming, and the devices hog all bandwidth. So smart queues prevent any one devices to eat all your bandwidth. With the help of smart queues, you can prioritize the traffic. When you enable smart queues, the CPU gets high. That is a catch. With the smart queues, you will get the good quality but lesser speed. So ये है UCG Ultra का dashboard and the UCG Ultra is adopted on my network. First we'll check for hardware acceleration and then the smart queues. To check the hardware acceleration, you have to click on the UniFi devices, UCG Ultra, and under the settings you will see the hardware acceleration is by default enabled. You can disable that, but click on the I button, you will see it optimize network performance and increase the throughput. So you can disable these options if you need. After that, we have to enable smart queues. So smart queues basically is a quality of service. You can prioritize your traffic. So you have to go to the internet section and then you have to click on your internet section. Under that, you will see advanced options. Click on manual and you will see the smart queue. So basically, smart queues is prioritize your traffic and reduce delays when the router bandwidth becomes overloaded. So if you enable, you have to put the down rate and the up rate of the smart queues. For now, I will just keep on 600 Mbps down rate and 600 Mbps up rate, and I will apply the changes. And after that, I will just test it with the cyber secure. I will enable all these intrusion prevention, notify and block. I will use everything because these all are CPU resources thing. If you take the intrusion prevention, IPS, IDS, DPI, everything. So I have just enabled that so I can test the speed with the smart queues because I have just set up a 600 Mbps on the download and the up rate. And after that, I will test it on one of the client device and see what speed do you get when you use hardware acceleration as well as the smart queues. So I have connected the UCG Ultra to this Mac Mini. So as you can see, there is a one client connected on the port 2, which is my Mac Mini, and you can check here. You need to update your UCG Ultra on version 4.4.9. As I see here, I've updated to this version, which is the official one, 4.4.9. So we'll see this is the inside system statistic. First, we'll go ahead and test the Cloudflare speed test. As you can see, I've already run a speed test once, so I will just do a retest. We'll get to know the download, internet speed, and the uploads. We'll see the CPU and the memory. So as you can see here, the download is 473 megabit. And the upload is 372. So you can check that out. And then we will just do a test here in Bufferbloat libraryqs.com. You can see all testing, bidirectional recovery, download, upload, everything. So calibrating download stream. So just wait it for a moment. It will give you the downloading speed and upload speed test. Meantime, also we can just go ahead and check the CPUs also. Right now, the CPU is 22.98% and the memory is 56.17%. Also, I've set the QS as 600 Mbps on download and up rate, and I've just used on the default network. So just one client is connected. So yeah, now you can check here the total buffer bloat grade. It gives A plus 4.4 milliseconds, and connection quality grade you can check the web latency, streaming, gaming jitter, call latency. So you can see all these stats. So with the help of hardware acceleration in the smart queues, you will see the improvement in the traffic. And if you check here, it does not this is just for a single client, but if there are other clients connected on the network, so you can have a different a CPU as well as the memory. If we go ahead and check the control pin for the console, we will check for about this console. So you can see the CPU load here, the temperature. CPU load is just 16% and the temperature is 48 degrees Celsius. So you have seen the hardware acceleration and the smart queues. So right now I've just set for the down rate and up rate of 600 Mbps. So you can check the difference in the speed. So if I don't allow set the smart queues, you will see the difference in the speed test also. You will see that will have a full speed. I think that's it for today's video. I hope you will like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down. Thanks for watching. Bye.